Oh, it's a Carat cluster. This is a crazy one. Yo, come see this.
The crank pulley came off.
Ooh, Gemballa wheels. That's rare. Over here we have an assortment of parts that we bought over the years from Russia. So anything with a black garbage bag. This is like some Russian stuff, I don't know, but Russia loves to pack their stuff like this. It's not gonna be done today, we're gonna do it in multiple days, but at least we can start seeing what we got, because we don't even know what we have at this point. We got so many things, I don't even remember. We went on a buying spree for like a year straight.
Shut up and take my money.
We have bumpers, wheels, body kits, clusters. It's the rarest parts from all over the world, but especially from Russia. So all you Russians watching, give me a thumbs up right now, drop a comment in Russian, and tell me what you think of the video. Thank you.
It's a Brabus one.
Oh,
Carat.
Carat. Another Lorinser wheel.
Another LM one.
Ooh, Recaro back seat, you motherfucker. And when it comes like this, you gotta take it like that, guys. This is what is history. It's patina. Patina. It has a great patina. This is the type of seat I'll put in like this. Classic Recaros with the headrest, of course, with the matching pattern. Classic.
They kind of look like monoblocks. AMG. Dude, we have a wing made by Carat. That's freaking cool.
Which wheels are these, guys? Ooh, Gemballa wheels. That's rare. That's something you never see. The Gemballa wheels, guys. Look at that. Have you ever seen this wheel? This is what the Patina Collective is all about, guys. Doing what's never been done. Bringing the Gemballa wheel to life. 2022. Alright guys, we're back at the big stadium. We finished organizing all the cars finally. But now we gotta move all the parts that we had in the storage into the container. So we're going step by step. We're starting with the wheels now. So let's see what happens. Doing this right now today because we have a big shipment, about 64 wheels coming from Chicago. So we have to make sure that all the wheels that are in there get into that trailer and we can fit everything. And then we gotta see what we're gonna do with the other 64 wheels on the way. So it's a lot to compute. We also got a little surprise package coming in from California, a little 4-pack. So let's see what it is. A lot of Brabus cars maybe. I don't know.
Summer's coming up though, we'll get like pool noodles and just cut them in. Because they might be shit now, but once they get refinished, bro, a nick is gonna look huge on them.
Yeah, no, for real. Alright, let's figure out this level so we can get this in here. Right now, this is, let's go up with this. We're thinking if we put them in like this, we'll be able to squeeze them. But that's what we're saying. So right now, because originally we were going to put these down here, but now you're saying you don't really give a fuck, so we can stack these, right?
You seen any interesting parts?
R129 ducklip spoiler, and then also some dead stock W124. So we have 3 styles of ducklip spoiler for those. Those are pretty cool. The Gemballa wheels that we have, those are pretty cool, and then some Lorinser. So we have 2 styles of Lorinser wheels. One is a 2-piece and one is a single piece. The single piece ones are brand new. So, yeah, I mean, you can take a look at them in a bit, you know, just get some footage of those. Other than that, we still have a full room of parts that we have yet to open, and they've been sitting there for over a year, so. I mean, I have no idea where the parts are, and I bought Bradley last night a QR code printer or like a sticker.
Oh,
so now we're gonna generate these stickers and label everything so we know where's what do we have, and then kind of sort the QR codes to the cars so we know exactly what's happening, what's up.
right now we're just using wheels to mock up the shelving. We're gonna set the shelf height. We're gonna go to Home Depot and buy like 40 more of these shelves and just line both sides of the trailer.
All things hip.
11 shelves going into the trailer right now.
Putting together all the shelving. Another thing is organizing everything. Like, okay, this is where all the wheels are going. So it's gonna be like a multi-step process. So we're going step by step right now. There's no other way to do it.
All things hip.
No way this came from California with the top down.
Seems like it, man.
Paint job's terrible.
Paint job is terrible.
Twin
Go right
turbo
here.
104. Twin turbos. And they're talking about the paint.
GLS Widestar Brabus. And then C50 215 S-Class Coupe. There's this latch out. Here we go. Yeah, stock V8 and
Damn, man.
smells kind of burnt.
Deserves a repaint. The turbo.
Yeah, it reserves a lot more than just a repaint.
It's a wide body. It has a lot of special. Yeah. It's a wide body. Look, you know.
Yeah,
Wide front and back.
it needs
Got the
tons of
molded-
work.
Yeah, but it's amazing.
Yeah, but more than just like the repaint. Like you need to take off
No,
the
I know,
body
I know,
panels
I
and
know. I
everything.
understand that.
The engine is great. It seems to run well, but also the infotainment system, we need to put that back to stock. I don't like anything like retrofitted.
I hear you.
The way the exhaust is welded and cut is just terrible. I mean, look at those welds for the hangers and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. So we have something Brabus in here. Ah, there we go. Magic. Missing badge, but magic. I'm liking it. This is nice. This is nice, bro.
The fuck, the power steering is off.
No, it shouldn't be.
Battery charge, visit workshop. Telling you, the power steering is off.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it heavy?
Yes, can't move
It was
it.
perfectly fine a second ago, dude.
Like when the FinTech.
Power steering.
Power steering isn't working. Something is stuck.
Kill it, kill it, kill it.
Something is stuck.
Holy shit.
What's stuck?
The crank pulley came off. I heard a rattling, so I looked into the engine bay,
Dude.
and none of the accessories were moving. So then I looked down, and the crank pulley was just wobbling off.
It's just bad. It's broken, right? Or did
I
you
don't
put
know.
it
Maybe
back
like it's
on?
not even bolted in.
I'd rather just put as many as we can on the cars too. Unless the car's like a blue interior, it's different. You know?
Right. It's just the showroom cars that need the top.
Well, if that's the case, then we can put the hard tops back on the cars and take those stands for the showroom.
We get shit. Boom. Gotta arrange new shit. Gotta clean shit. Gotta fix
Bro,
new
there's
shit.
9 cars at the port right now.
Oh shit.
Even
Oh, where are we gonna
And
even
then-
put them, bro?
Yeah. Right.
I gotta restuff the showroom now. We have not heard back from you from when you will pick up these 3 cars. Like, please advise urgently to avoid any further storage charges. Fuck, man. I'd rather pay storage charges at this point.
Shelves. Hey, we stepped it up. We got red shelves now, no longer silver. So this is where all the fast carts go on, you know, because it's red. So now we know.
The red ones go faster.
Brabus remains my favorite tuning brand. I mean, that's a very poor example, and the one behind it as well. But I don't know. They just do magic differently. Shout out to Bot Club. Toss everything else out about the car and put it into a cleaner.
I like the way it looks. I like the all black. I mean, I like the vibe. It's the vibe.
I don't know. It reminds me of a 19-year-old Asian boy in LA that wanted to modify the Brabus that
Probably
his
what
parents
happened.
gifted him.
Probably what
You know?
happened.
And they just messed it up.
It's a Brabus C50. It's bad.
I respect it.
Yes.
I don't.
It's freaking awesome.
It's not clean enough.
And the remote is so close.
I just wanted to lose the shop. Ours is full right now, so he's kind of like the overflow of the overflow. because I'm here helping out with shelves, so I can't be at the shop. He's gonna get started on it, and then I'll probably go help because I want to see what's wrong with it. I mean, I've never seen a crank fall off before. It's beyond wild.
All these boxes, like that's a lot of boxes, and all behind here and all. But like I said, if we take them all out, push them all up, it's the same shit as this. Yeah, that'd be good. Thank you, man. All this shit's been here over a year. I'm trying to get rid of it.
Something special. Brabus joint.
Ah, another set. Nice. Very nice. Error ones. Merry Christmas. Caros with Blaupunkt speakers in there. Just electric headrest, I guess. I was hoping for the speakers to stick in there. Brabus monoblocks. Two-piece. Come on. Come on, with the polished lip. That's beautiful.
Rare springs for a 6.0 widebody AMG. These are AMG springs. You can't get these fucking springs, man.
So digital dash, Benny S, but I think we need to give some history background on this. So the person that invented the digital instrument cluster was Rainer Buchmann with BB tuning, but that was primarily Porsche and Volkswagen. So this year swapped over to Mercedes and is probably one of the first attempts of having a digital dash in a Mercedes. Beautiful Lorinsers.
Alright guys, it's been a crazy day, opening boxes all day, going ballistic. We found parts we forgot we bought, we found parts we didn't even know existed. But it's been insane, we're still not done. We gotta come back tomorrow and put some, all the bumpers and stuff in there. We gotta get more shelving, but it's about 85% done and it feels a lot better now. We can move around, we can come here, have a clearer mind, you know? So let's go guys, stay tuned. It's the Patina Collective, it's the biggest in the game. Let's go.
And see what happens.
So if the crankshaft can't be saved, what do we do next?
Bye-bye the engine.
All right, well.
You know, the thing is, the pulley was loose. I mean, they did something weird. They put like a washers behind the pulley to try it because they don't have the notch, you know?
We don't know. Okay.
We'll stop right here, right?
We might as well put the wheels here for now.
Oh, because we have the one shelf that we're gonna return, right?
Right.
So for now, the wheels will go here.
Exactly.
Because we can't even finish this spot. Cool. That works.
Good job.
Where they relocated the buttons?
That's fine.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's dope.
That's fine.
What?
Yeah.
That's hard. That's dope.
Classy. He's right behind them. Put the 129 kit together. The white one with the side skirts and everything, because that's on top, laying on top. We're starting on top.
Grab this first, please.
Side skirts
Bradley,
and
the big bumper. Yeah. I just want to see how it's even gonna fit. There you go. Boom. Right?
I know.
You put this. We're back. It's day 3. We're trying to put all the parts in the container we got out there. Running out of space for cars, running out of space for parts. This is fucking ridiculous. 2 more clusters in here. Oh, it's a Carat cluster. This is a crazy one. I remember this one. Yo, come see this. Oh shit.
Oh damn.
Oh shit. I remember this. I found this.
Is that the wood?
Yes. With the diamonds. With the little Rolex clock. AMG. 126. Another AMG, but this one has the bottom. See, look at that one. It has AMG on the bottom. That's older. This one has it at the top. This one has diamonds all over it. Why? You gonna come here?
I have a doctor's appointment to go back. If he's staying for like more than a couple hours, he's not coming all this way just to hang out for.
I don't know what he's doing.
Is Pierre coming here?
Yes, at 3 o'clock. No, showroom.
That's what I'm saying.
Is he bringing a car?
I don't know what he's doing. He just said he's coming on Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. This is 70 wheels in here already. Look how much room we got.
We can double.
The 64 won't even go up to here that are coming. So we can still go crazy. Yeah. These are all coming out. He's taking 4 sets at a time, unmounting and bringing back the wheel.
Putting them in there,
and putting the rubber at the overflow at the top. You know how to Too easy.
All things hip.
Gemballa grill, very rare. Yo, we gotta send.
The rest of the car?
Huh?
What happened to the rest of the
I'm
car?
asking.
Where the grill be there and not the rest of the car?
How much would the invoice price to be for the cluster we're about to buy, the Benz 1500?
Is all stuff the same guy has?
Yeah, that's him. What is he writing?
He's a Clarion G80 radio
Oh,
with the panel. I said yes.
Gold Galway, Sun King, R129. Those are the cars going to the Rick Ross show. Rick Ross car show at his house. Drop out GY because it's L spot. This has never been seen.
Yeah.
And those three because they've never been seen.
Hi guys.
Hello.
What's up, brother?
Yeah, how's it going, man?
Hello. What's going on, my
I
guy?
thought you were in Germany.
I'm back and ready. I go back and forth.
Wow, so you guys are having some fun, huh?
What do we owe the pleasure to?
I'm just down here.
Nice.
Is this a Koenig SLC?
Yes.
Yes.
This is so funny.
I honestly feel like the SLC Koenig is the most beautiful Koenig out of all of them.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
The
Like
interior is
how
crazy beautiful too.
in Germany.
The car was in Hungary for a while.
Oh, is it Hungary, huh?
Yeah, and then it came back to Germany.
Wow, somebody tried to do some restoration work under here.
380, what is it?
I'll tell you in a
It's part of a
second.
car club at some point, so you know they're
Yeah.
talking about it.
Yeah, somebody was into this. I'm like trying to wrap my head around this.
Yes.
You have twin Koenig SLs.
The right hand, left hand.
Yeah, I know. I see that part.
Yeah.
It's just weird because like the cars are basically like mirror images of each other.
Yeah.
Yes. That's
What on earth? Where did this probably came
UK.
in? Japan, right?
UK.
UK, huh?
Yep.
The cars are really low-key.
And look, so this is the previous design. See the hinges on the roof? This one's the refined with no hinges. See that? This one has the button on the outside and the inside. This one has no button, only on the door. You have to hit it and go
Which
inside.
is the one with the hydraulic issues?
This one.
Yeah, of course it is.
Yeah.
It's a freaking car. This is a car I wanted first anyway.
Yeah, 12,000 miles.
Yes, thank you, Pierre.
Did you,
Thank you, Pierre, for putting us on to this one of interest.
It's not though.
It's not.
No, it's not. Because if it were a Momo, you'd find like the stupid made in Italy thing here.
Yeah.
It doesn't have any branding. I mean, the Italians, you know, if you get a pair of shoes from Italy, you look on the bottom, it says made in Italy, you dumbass.
They're very proud of that.
Yeah, they're very proud of right. Yeah, exactly.
Germany. It's Gemballa.
But Slang is doing it.
Yeah, Buck's
Yeah, exactly. I mean, he started with 24, to be exact. That's when he started selling
I mean, like
cars
his
himself.
company though was like cooking, and he's like this young guy, you know?
Yeah. And so yeah, I mean, with Patina and Hans, we're bringing the culture back.